Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hi, my name is Juhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my name is Juhi. And I'm 22 years old from Mumbai. So today I'm just going to talk about random things because I'm drilled already. I'm shooting, I'm recording things for like 38 days now. And भाई इतना जल्दी सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ जाएगा मुझे भी नहीं पता था बट ऑफ कोर्स कंसिस्टेंसी है बट जब रिजल्ट्स नहीं दिखता है तो बंदा गिव अप करने लग जाता है बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू अप्रिशिएट ईच एंड एवरीवन हु इज जस्ट ट्राइंग देयर लेवल बेस्ट एंड रिकॉर्डिंग एंड शूटिंग एंड showing their life, showcasing their life like a bit of it. छोटी छोटी चीजें सब कुछ दिखा रहे हैं. I really appreciate. So let's get started. So today it's not about being aesthetic, being motivational, but it is about being real. I almost about to quit about all the things which I'm doing, but then I had a vision that inner child of me has. The 2026 is my year. I'm just saying this again and again because I'm trying to manifest it for myself as well. So today I'm just going to be real, not aesthetic, not motivational, not anything. Just being real. So before this, I was trying to shoot with a cut sleeves wala dress, but I was so insecure about my body that I have just changed it and came to a comfy t-shirt so that I can talk confidently. There are multiple things which people don't speak. There are a lot of insecurities the creators also don't show, but yeah, so there are multiple days when I feel I'm just left out. I'm just behind of everyone. Am I capable of doing it? I mean, the silence breakdown when you just show that you are happy outside, but at night you just overthink for that one goal. I almost quit my all the things because I was like, no, I can't do it. But you know what I'm doing? I'm just questioning myself. Am I enough? क्या मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है? What if किसी और के साथ भी हो रहा और मुझे नहीं पता हो? But at the end of the day, when I see myself, I'm not just giving up, but I'm postponing my own potential. So that's why I've started all of this, to make myself feel happy, proud. I know half of you guys don't even know me, but I'm just doing it for myself, for real. So I stopped. I've stopped giving time to the people who are just draining my energy. So rather than crying about things, I've started analyzing what and who are blocking my way. Sometimes you just don't need motivation, you need direction. And you really need to figure out what are your strengths, what you can do. Because I was always an extrovert person who can speak in front of many people, but I was being shy about it. I was thinking what they are going to think. And because of that, I have started this very late. And today, after trying also, I'm thinking of giving up because when I don't see results, I just give up. And that is not a good thing, of course. But I'm still trying. And trying is the real reason, is the proof that you are doing something. So yes, so I've just made a vision board for myself where I'm just going to, I have already started doing things for that vision board. I have a live bending book also where I'm writing what I want, what things are in my control. First thing first is health, skincare, my physical appearance, whether I'm healthy or not, what is the number of the weight. I mean, yeah, that's thoda sa personal, but yeah. And then what all things I eat, what is my sleep cycle, and the happiness, the direction of my happiness, what is lacking, where I'm lagging, because at times you feel very low and you have to be yourself because you can't pretend of someone who you are not. And also you need to figure out who you want to be rather than who you are. So one thing I've realized is कि मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाती हूँ चीज़ों से if I don't get the result. But this time I'm not trying to give up. I have almost on the urge कि मैं कर दूँगी give up अगर मुझे solutions मुझे results नहीं दिखेंगे. But still I'm trying. Other than that, career wise, I have to be stable in life. I want to live in Mumbai forever. I love this city. And the city also loves me. I know this for a reason. Also, other than that, I have to try new things in life, new hobbies, which are like solo trips, traveling alone, learning new things because I really want to learn a lot. I really want to be the best version of myself in 2026, and I am the best when I see my 30 days of January 31 and the 10 days of February. I'm really proud of myself. So life is not just linear. Sometimes you will fail, you will restart, you will grow, you will cry, you will overthink. But what is the real flex? You are doing it again, you are trying again. Discipline is something which will motivate you. I mean, it's not easy to be consistent, to be in discipline, but the inner child, the inner growth which you will feel this year is not about finding or chasing people for the reason that they will give you affection, they'll give you love. No, my love, you have to be consistent for yourself, just the way I'm doing it for myself, rather than just trying. I'm just trying to find myself in the job which I'm doing, the partial job which I've taken, recording content. I know it's not easy and I have this habit of giving up, but now this year I'm not just going to give up. Nahi karungi give up. So if you are watching this video, this is a sign of you to make a vision board for yourself, to plan your things. I'm not saying कि पूरा साल का एक साथ कर लो, because sometimes you just feel so lost कि इतना सारा प्रेशर हो जाता है कि भाई 12 महीने का एक साथ मैं कैसे रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ या कैसे कहीं पे एक साथ इकट्ठा करके उसे स्टिक कर लूँ. But at least plan for the 30 days, because last year I have planned a lot of things, and at the same time you need to be sure what you are going to, like how much are you going to work for that, because vision board का ये नहीं कि कुछ भी लगा दो and you are going to think कि मिल जाएगा. मैंने भी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें लगाई थी जो मुझे नहीं मिली, because उनके लिए मैंने कुछ भी हार्ड वर्क नहीं किया, मैंने कुछ भी उस पर काम नहीं किया. But when I see this, जिसके लिए मैंने हार्ड वर्क किया, I have achieved it. I have received those gifts from the universe, like not just the physical but the love from my family. So I have few things, जैसे कि छोटी मोटी चीज़ें जिसके लिए I can give my energy, I can give my potential. I have achieved those. I have achieved the love. But the problem is जिसके लिए मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया मेरा vision board में, वो नहीं हुआ टिक. I have made a vision board for 2025 also, and now for this year I have a life binding book where I'm recording each and every day what I want and things which are in my control. But at the same time, this year I'm just showcasing all the things which I can do. I have learned it from my mistake, and this is a sign for you as well कि देख लो एक बार, because तुम क्या कर सकते हो क्या नहीं वो तुम्हें ही पता है. मुझे इतने सालों से पता था कि मुझे कंटेंट बनाना है, बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्टार्ट इट बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल रीजंस. आई वॉज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ, एंड FYI दिस इज द फेज ऑफ माई बॉडी वेयर आई वॉज नॉट रेडी, बट आई वॉज लाइक अभी नहीं तो कभी, क्योंकि मैं इतने साल से प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट ही कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद माई बॉडी. आई एम सेइंग इट आउट लाउड. So I'm saying it out loud that I'm not happy with this version of my body, but at least I'm doing it. I've started my challenge of 30 days. I've extended it to 75 days so that कुछ तो निकलेगा result, and I've started seeing the results also. I've lost 2 kgs. I know it's not visible properly because थोड़ा time लगेगा. I have seen people in my school, not in college, because Mumbai में people are pretty chill than my hometown, because I used to get judged because of my multiple things, and school time pe to I have a lot type of traumas. People used to think, wow, what a life. No bro, you don't know what I used to feel about you guys. I never say all of this. I'm not even in touch with all of them. I have few friends with me, like I still talk to them because they were genuinely with me for my peace. So ऐसा नहीं है. सबको लगता है कि वाओ व्हाट अ लाइफ दीज पीपल हैव, बट जाओ एक बार सबका बैकग्राउंड देखो, हर कोई दुखी है. समटाइम्स इट्स अबाउट हेल्थ, वेल्थ, बिजनेस, मेंटल पीस. क्या नहीं भाई, कौन खुश है आज के टाइम पे? And sometimes you just feel so numb about things, that all the past traumas, all the things, all the events which has occurred in your life, you just feel so drained that ki, why are you doing all of this? But the time I've started recording it, all of it, I'm feeling proud. There are multiple people who are just going to think it's cringe. Okay, सोच लो, because तुम तो नहीं कर पा रहे ना. आओ बैठो कैमरा के आगे, बनाओ 10 मिनट तक वीडियो बना रोके. You are just doing it क्योंकि you just don't have anything to do. इसके लिए you are judging, right? And I don't want to say all of this in front of camera. I don't want to put it out because I don't want to. I genuinely don't want it to. But भाई, I mean there is this saying कि जितना पॉजिटिव सोचोगे उतना पॉजिटिव ही अट्रैक्ट करेगा. तो इसके लिए आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बी माई सेल्फ. अगेन आई एम सेइंग आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग दिस टू बी माई सेल्फ. एंड इससे अगर किसी और को मोटिवेशन मिलती है, सो आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी. एंड इफ few people are liking what I'm doing, I will genuinely appreciate that you guys are watching all of it. And I want each and everyone to grow together as a community, as a friend. मैंने लेट्स मूव क्लब भी इसके लिए बनाया था, so that साथ में हम एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करें. बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ द टाइम्स वी जस्ट फील सो लेजी दैट वी डोंट वांट टू गो आउट, बट वी वांट टू वॉक, वी वांट टू रन. So this is a sign of you making a vision board, and if you have any ideas you can also let me know. I don't know why I'm acting so. सबके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है, एंड इफ यू जस्ट डू इट यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. या फिर तुम फेल हो जाओगे, बट फेल होने से तुम्हें ये तो पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हें क्या करना है क्या नहीं. आई नो आई एम एक्टिंग बिट सीरियस, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ mood swing I have just received. I was trying to be normal. Okay, fine. So I'll just come back to the normal zone and make the vision board. Do it for yourself. On each and every video, I just try to be like this कि मैं बोलूँ बार बार do it for yourself, do it for yourself. I know half of you people don't know me, but yeah babe, do it for yourself. Nobody is going to save you when you and your friend are sinking on that boat. तो पहले खुद को बचाओ, फिर किसी और को बचाने का सोचना. So this was my time, and if you really like my video, you have to like, share, comment and subscribe if you want to see me next time. So bye.